Hi guys, my name's Heather. I'm a dental hygienist, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite mouthwashes by GuruNanda, and it is GuruNanda's Bite of Breath. So you might be asking why I love this one out of all of them, because we have quite a few now. So why I like this one is because it's so versatile. This one's great for patients that have sensitivity, are going through chemo, can't tolerate any flavors, have allergies. This is an unflavored, salt-based mouthwash. It's great for post-op and it's great for all of those things that I just said. It's also pH neutral. There's actually a lot of mouthwashes on the market that are acidic. Don't ask me why, but they are. And if you're using an acidic mouthwash, that can cause the enamel to erode and you're more prone to cavities. So definitely don't be using an acidic mouthwash. This is a salt-based, neutral and pH mouthwash that is not only great for sensitive mouths, but it's also great for people that struggle with bad breath. One of the ingredients in here is called sodium chlorite, which specifically attacks the sulfur compounds that bacteria produce, so it neutralizes them. So this is great if you are struggling with halitosis. I also love this mouthwash because it's great for if you just had surgery, if you had an implant placement, extraction, anything like that. This is very soothing and it's going to help decrease a lot of the bacteria in your mouth, which will increase your healing. So you're going to heal better. This mouthwash is unflavored. Why I love that is because you can customize it. GuruNanda also has 100% pure essential oils like peppermint oil. So you can add a couple drops of that in here so you can tailor this mouthwash to your needs. If you don't like a super minty mouthwash, add only a few drops. If you want a super minty mouthwash, add more. And you can also add other essential oils like oregano oil or clove if you need an extra boost. Like let's just say if you're sick, you could add those essential oils to be a little bit more antimicrobial. So this is a really awesome mouthwash. I hope you guys check it out. And if you are a hygienist or dentist, this is a great mouthwash to keep in office to help irrigate when you're doing a cleaning. So I keep it in my operatory and I recommend that you do too. Okay, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.